Alright, so you know how I bought that new cordless Skil screwdriver, similar to my old one here, which still works, kind of, sort of, really slow, but you can kind of tell it's dying. I mean, it still kind of sort of works. So I bought the newer version of this Skil, you know, with the pistol grip kind of deal, and charged it up, and no worky. So it's boxed up, going back to Amazon. So I got on their website and went with this guy, and all I gotta say is, holy smokes, I'm glad I went with this guy. Same little micro USB charging deal on it. It's got lights. It's got a lockable 1/4 inch on here, which this one here doesn't have, and the other one didn't. And this thing's got some freaking nuts to it. So if you want to screw this way, you screw this way. And it's not that geosynchronous thing where you have to kind of turn it. It's just, you just freaking go with it. Let me show you a little bit how this thing works. So you get on a screw right here, like this, and you go left, and then you go the other way, and it goes tight. Now, here's a little added freaking bonus on this thing. You see this little button right here? Do you know what this is? This is a circuit detector. Watch this. So you push this button right here, and if you got 120 volts AC, it screams at you. I mean, so you push the button. See? It's activated. That is so cool. It works great. Little circuit tester kind of deal. So this is a good buy. Good buy. It comes with a whole bunch of bits right here. And looks like this little drill there too. But there's no place to store bits on. That's the only thing I don't like about it. But man, what a handy little fricker this is. USB cable in here. I just use whatever I got here. So there you have it. Good little screw stick. Good little screw stick. Glad I got this.